Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you recover or how can you fix WeChat unable to verify. So the unable to verify problem on WeChat typically stems from issue receiving an SMS verification code. So what you want to do is first thing first, you want to check your mobile number and a reason. So ensure that the correct country reason is selected in the app. You then want to double check that the mobile number you've entered is correct and does not include the country's code and does not include the country's code in the input field itself as well. Now moving on, you also want to check your network signal. So go to your settings onto your device and here you want to go to network and internet and make sure to restart. That should be able to help. Now then, you could also try going to the you can also try enabling airplane mode or flight mode. That can be able to help. And you also want to make sure to temporarily disable any sort of antivirus or call SMS blocking app that might be intercepting message from unknown sender as well. Now, if nothing works out, try restarting your phone or uninstalling and reinstalling the WeChat app, and that should definitely help you out. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.